What's going on, guys? So I know it's been a while since I made a YouTube video, and honestly I've been going through quite a lot. I'm not gonna get too much into detail about what I was going through, but it was just like very personal, and it's taken me quite a while to kind of get over it. But I do want to get back into, making some more content for you guys. But I had some people ask me about the RX-8, and it will be coming, but there's just some engine issues. I just can't figure out why it just won't run properly. It keeps stalling at every stop. It keeps stalling when it's a hot start, and there's just some other issues too. But I mean, I could put on those parts, but then it would just be kind of like a little pointless because I wouldn't be able to drive it. There's something about putting on new parts and wanting to drive the car to like test it, even though you can't really see it, but you just know it's there. And it's just like, I don't know, I can't really do that at this point. So right now my only reliable car is the TC, but even then I'm having some issues too. But hopefully it lasts me for a couple more months before I can finally like swap the motor or something. But today is going to be putting on the old duckbill that I had, but I'm going to patch up some of the holes that I had drilled out for the previous spoiler. I want to put on some Canards I got. I also want to put on a lip that I had bought, but I test fitted it and it didn't fit the way I wanted to, so I ended up buying a different lip. I had to wait for that to come in so I can put on the lip along with everything else. I'm going to put on 1-inch spacers and lower the car about like 1.5 inches just to close a gap, because I had put new tires on because the other ones that I had were staggered and the rears look fucking ugly. I did not like it. So now I got some Federals. I forget the model, but it looks pretty sick. I was kind of going for just like the looks and kind of like shortening down like the ratio and everything. doesn't seat properly because I didn't take off the previous double-sided tape, so it's kind of thick, and I was kind of lazy about it. But I did patch up the holes. I don't know if you can see, it's like right in there. And I mean, it looks better than missing like the centerpiece of my wing, because the centerpiece actually flew off on the freeway because it was so weak. I also put on this I had ordered online, and for the fitment, it's about 1 inch all around. I mean, like, it just, I don't know why it comes and goes. Like, sometimes it'll be about 2 fingers, sometimes it'll be like 1.5 fingers, but it's just depending on what the car wants to do. This is what it looks like from the rear. Like, I was kind of going for like the, you know, somewhat aggressive look, not too much, but like a little bit. I didn't want it tucked or anything. Kind of wanted it poking out a bit. I still need an alignment because the camber angles is all fucked up in the front. So this is how it looks with the new lip and the Canards. I actually had to readjust the angles on the Canards because when I originally put them on, it's not what I actually wanted. And if you look closely, you can see like where I screwed the holes in and kind of like patched it a bit with some plastic filler, and then, you know, half-ass like paint on it real quick. But I mean, it looks pretty good. It makes the front end more aggressive and actually match, you know, the hood vents. I'm not putting the lip stabilizers, be doing too much at that point. And then I attempted to take off some of the wrap because I kind of want to take all this off, and it was kind of like a pain in the ass. So I'll get a heat gun and actually remove everything, and then get like an eraser wheel and take off all the rest of the adhesive, because it's pretty thick on there. You can't even see it shine. The only issue I have after I finish is like this line, but I can get past that. So that pretty much wraps up all I have for the video. And again, I apologize for not uploading sooner and consistently, but I'm gonna be trying to get into the habit again of uploading more content, but not only like what I used to do, because I was still going through shit before. So I want to do it like probably once or twice a week. For the next video, I'm gonna be installing a fourth brake light. I already have one that I ordered to like drill a hole and then put the light in. I ordered a STI fourth brake light. I'm gonna make it fit my TC. Probably after that, I have C lights from the STI too. I'm gonna put on the TC headlights, and I'm gonna spray paint mostly everything black, probably like a gloss black, so it still has a shine, so the light can still reflect off the paint and not be like a matte color and then doesn't do any justice. And along with that too, I'm gonna have a halo in it. Maybe later on down the road I'll add demon eyes, but for now just a C light and the halo, and painting inside the housing black. And there's this thing I want to start doing at the end of each video. It's just something quick. It's just something that helped me get through multiple things in life. It's very general and can be applied to anything, and it's live life, set examples. And I'm just gonna say at the end of every video, but for the live life portion, it's just like a reminder to not be anything else besides happy or in a good mood. So whatever you're going through, big or small, you can apply that and just take yourself away from the situation, and then do what you can to change the way you feel, and then go back to feeling good. Basically just to live your best life. And the set examples portion is basically what it means. Just set examples as you live in your best life to show yourself the best you in all the good ways, and to set an example for your surroundings so people can take away from the good things that you're doing and the good traits that you have. And it's something I created to be short and sweet of how I was trying to get by, because back then I used to have like a long list, constantly rereading everything to make myself better and being the best me. So over time, I made that long list into 4 words, something that can get the point across, to be applied to every single situation that I'm facing. So that's pretty much all I have for the video, and I want to thank you guys for watching and still supporting me through the time I wasn't making content. I hope you guys have a great day and live life, set examples.